Hi, I'm Paris Childress, CEO of Hop Online, and in this video, I want to walk you through our technical SEO audit process. So with technical SEO, there are a few common themes. The first is crawl budget optimization. And what this means is that when Google crawls a website, it has certain limitations as to how much time it will spend and how many pages it will crawl before it moves on to the next website. So how you instruct Googlebot to crawl the website, and particularly which pages you instruct Googlebot not to crawl in your website, will positively impact your crawl budget optimization. So the first theme is crawl and crawl budget optimization. The second theme is indexation. So indexation refers to the pages that Google stores in its index that have the potential to rank in search results. And typically, a larger indexation means more opportunity to rank, but that's not always the case. So sometimes a website may have too many pages indexed, and the goal would be then to reduce the number of indexed pages. Or we could have a case where there is under indexation, and our goal would be to increase the number of indexed pages for a website. The third category is the performance or the speed of the website. And this has become, over time, an increasingly important factor, especially on mobile devices. And we also look at the loading speed of all the key pages of a website in our technical SEO audit. And finally, we are looking at how efficient the site structure is at passing so-called link juice or link equity among all of the pages. So generally, this is a big factor for SEO, not only getting links from outside websites, but also passing link equity internally through the site structure in an efficient manner. So what we have on the screen here is an exhaustive series of checks, and they're grouped into some of these themes that I just mentioned. Here we have crawling and indexation. Next, we have site structure, which has to do with internal linking. We have duplicate content handling, site speed on both desktop and mobile usability, and metadata. So there are a little more than 70 checks that we make based on a replicated crawl using Screaming Frog. And we are going to initially assign a pass-fail grade to each of these factors. And if a factor doesn't pass our check, we would then also assign a priority, high, medium, or low priority to the particular issue. And then we would describe our recommendation in this section here. And after that's done, after we have delivered this audit, the rest of these columns are intended to help track the implementation of that audit. So let's actually look at a real example of one of these. Here we have, in this column, we have action items. So these are the issues that we've discovered and that we diagnosed as problematic. And here in this particular case, we have about 18 issues that we feel need to be addressed for this particular website. We first just give the issue a name. We give a detailed description of the issue here. In this column, we indicate the tab in this spreadsheet where you can find more information about this. So in this particular case, we have soft 404s, and we can look at the soft 404s tab, and we can see all of the different 404 error pages that were identified. If we come back here, we can also see the priority of the particular issue, any other notes that we want to mention, and then a client resolution column where our client says we're okay to implement this, or no, we're not okay to implement this for some particular reason, or it might not be relevant. And then, most importantly, we have implementation date and validation. So this is going to help us measure when the issue was fixed, and then we're going to come back after that and validate that the issue was fixed correctly. So this is really the full cycle: diagnosing the issues, getting acceptance and implementation of those issues, and then finally validating that the issues were corrected successfully. And this is the first step to success with SEO, because technical SEO is really the foundation of success. If there are technical SEO problems with a website, that's always going to hold back the performance of that website, regardless of the quality of the content or the quality of the links pointing to that site. So typically, we recommend doing a technical SEO at the very beginning because it really is foundational for success in SEO. So I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.